Turning your digital product into a done for you experience involves creating a system where customers can get results with minimal effort on their part. And in today's video, I'm going to show you just how to do that, to take a digital product and turn it into a done for you product or service. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing passive income tips for writers, publishers, and creatives. If you love this type of content, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit this like button and also hit the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, you haven't heard already about my flagship program. Join the Passive Profits Collective. In that community is where I help you to unlock the secrets to generating income without the usual hustle and grind. This is where you can get coaching with me every single week, as well as a host of resources and all sorts of amazing other things, and plus a community of other women that are on the same path as you. So to learn about the collective, go ahead and hit that link in the description to learn more. I also have some freebies for you. I have my daily newsletter Monday through Friday. I send 3 quick and valuable resources to help you to elevate your digital business daily. Plus, when you sign up, you're going to get 50 plus creative ways to turn your writing skills into money, honey. Okay, so go ahead, sign up for the newsletter. That's absolutely for free. I also have an amazing guide for writers and publishers that want to earn passive income in their publishing or writing business. In this guide, I break down the different types of passive income that I've created in my business and have had massive success. And not only that, my students as well. And I also share with you resources to help you to quickly get started. So I got you. I want to make sure that you can get to your passive income. And then lastly, I have a free on-demand workshop that you can learn my framework that I use in my business to earn passive income in my business, how to earn that sustainable income, not this fly-by-night stuff, but sustainable passive income. You can join that workshop absolutely for free. It's on demand, and you can listen or join that workshop at your leisure. So click the link in my description for all of the resources that I mentioned in this video, and let's get into today's content. So if you are a creator and you have digital products and you really want to level up and maybe turn it into a done for you product, that's what I'm going to teach you today. So first thing you want to do, you want to package the core product with additional resources. So like templates and checklists. I love a good checklist. You can provide pre-made templates, cheat sheets, checklists that complement your core product. Now, this can save time as well for your customer, and this is all about the customer. So it's about helping them to save more time, and you can charge a higher price than just a checklist by itself. Okay, so when you combine the core product with other things, you can charge a higher price. You can also give bonus material, including like additional resources like video tutorials, workbooks, swipe files, and other deeper dive into application when it comes to the core of your product. Okay, so you can definitely do that. And here's the next thing that I don't want you to sleep on. Now, I don't know if you know my story, but I come from providing an implementation service such as publishing services. And I'm going to tell you and be honest, the publishing services is a high ticket service and you can make a lot of money. So what I notice on the online space is that sometimes people have a problem. They don't have a problem retaining information or getting it, it's implementing it. So think about how you can turn your digital product that you currently already have, and you can provide an implementation service instead at a premium rate. Now, this way, this allows you to get more cash flow in your business, especially if you're a writer or a publisher. But this also allows you as well to work with who you want to work with. That's the great thing about providing a premium or implementation service. you can get more money. Okay. You can work with 5 people and get more money. So let's just say that you charge $5,000 for implementation service. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, $25,000 that you can have in your business. And the implementation service does not have to be long winded. It can be something short and sweet to the point, as little as 30 days to 90 days, and you getting it done, you get your money, and then the customer's happy because you have implemented something that they don't have to do. So, like examples, setting up systems, customizing templates, offering one-on-one consultations. If you are a publisher, yes, your publishing services that you are publishing books for people should be at a premium. If you're a writer and you're writing books for people, writing articles for people, that should be at a premium. The great thing about having a premium service, which I'm thinking about bringing back some of my premium services, because I'm always asked, well, hey, can you write my book for me? Can you do those things? And, being in publishing for so long, I have shied away from that. But what I know and learn about having that implementation services, it does not have to be open all the time, but it can be open for a limited amount of time, and that way you can get some cash flow in your business, and then you don't have to worry about working with a whole bunch of people. So think about that, the digital product that you currently have. Another thing you can do, you can create a membership with ongoing support. So you can develop tiers where customers can get access to the core product, the bonus material, the ongoing support through forums, Q&A questions, and live coaching. That's something that I have with the collective. The collective is my premium. Now I would say premium program. Okay, my premium program where you can get access to coaching and things like that. But then I do have some lower tier mini memberships. If you, for example, if you want to write your own book, I have a mini membership for that. If you want to start your own publishing company, I have a mini membership for that. But is even though it's a mini membership, it's definitely in high value. So it's high value. I'm not just throwing things in there. It's actually high value, and the support that you get is via chat. However, is if you want the more of the coaching, is where you have to go to a level up. So I want you to think about that. And I'm talking about one single digital product that you can implement and turn it into a done for you product. And many people will pay for that. Okay. They will pay for that because they will pay for implementation. Okay. You can also leverage automation for delivery and access as well. I love a good automation. So once your customer purchases the product, they can receive the instant access to the files, or they can get access to the membership portal. Even with your implementation services, it does not have to be so closely, or people have to be so closely to you. You can have it so that you're delivering items via email only, and you have to be very specific in how you do that. So the implementation services does not mean you have to get on calls all the time. It does not mean that. It can be via email. You can have a special portal. I know platforms such as Dubsado and Honeybook, they are great for implementation services. So they already have the contracts, the portal where you can conversate with your customers right in there. Absolutely, you can have that done. So yeah, you you don't have to have it so that it is where it's just immediate access. You can have it delivered, and you can have that automation done. But I want you to also make sure that you focus on clear and actionable content. So ensure that your core product, which is an ebook or course, make sure that it's well structured, it's easy to follow, and provide step by step actions for your customers. Okay. So when you implement these strategies, you can transform your digital product into a done for you solution so that you can have higher profits in your business. Okay. So let me know inside of the comments, do you have questions? What type of digital products do you have? And maybe I can help you to and give you some ideas and turn them into a implementation product. This is something that I help my clients to do. Even though we talk a lot about passive income, there are some aspects in your business that you can have at a higher tier, and you can have it as an implementation service that people will actually buy and they will want from you. Okay, so comment below to let me know, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have in the comments. Until the next time, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.